Today we're going to be taking out the instrument cluster or the speedometer and tachometer on our 1988 Corvette. Tools you'll need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver and a ratchet socket and extension that's 7 millimeters. Let's get started. We're going to unhook the battery before we start this procedure. I've got a 5/16 wrench here. Let's tilt the wheel down all the way because we're going to take the cluster out. And then this tilt mechanism unscrews. Unscrew that. Take it out. With our Phillips head screwdriver, we have a lot of screws to undo. We have 2 screws over here, a screw here, a screw here, one here, one here, one here, and there. And then like a triangle 1, 2, 3 over. That was stripped. Oh, and I have to take this off. To get this knob off, put your flathead screwdriver in here like this and push against that tab there towards you and it'll come out. So you're pushing this tab down with your flathead screwdriver and it'll pop right out without breaking it off. Okay. Make sure you have your button pressed down like that so you can slide it out. So there's one right here, and then there's another one right here. Those are the easy ones to get to. Then down here, there's one. It's all the way back there, okay? And then on the other side, there is another one. And your 7 millimeter ratchet and extension will reach them. So let's get started. So these are out. Just pull it back a little bit so you know they're out. If you don't have a magnetic bit like we don't. So all right, now let's go down and get this one over here. Okay, I'll find that later. Okay, so all the screws are loosened and they're out. We're just going to pull this out now. Kind of hold down here to my screw. It is attached on the side over here to some cords. Okay. There we go. So there you go. Okay, so that one slides out. I just slid it out, okay? And I did lift this a little bit because that's what was holding that one in. And then here's another one over here. Press down on that and pull that out. And that's how you get that one out. And there you have it. And that's how you take out your instrument cluster on your 1988 Corvette. This will work on Corvettes from 1984 to 1989. You can send this off and have it fixed. That's what we're going to do. So everything stays the same. And just reverse the process to get it back in. Thanks for watching.